Hey, what's going on, you guys? What's going on? This is your girl Jasmine, and I'm coming to you with a video here. And in regards to 5 side hustle ideas, basically that you can do, and pretty much how to make money in 2021. It's almost 2022. So, this has definitely been a roller coaster type year for everyone. So, basically, let's get into it on how you can make some money here. Make sure that you hit that like button, comment below, and also basically subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be updated on the latest and greatest video pretty much on my YouTube channel here. So, of course, check those links below in the description. And let's go ahead and get right into it so that you can, have some ideas on what to actually do, to make some money online and things of that nature. And also, even if you're working a 9 to 5 job, you can still do this on the side as well too to be able to build up some extra money. So now the first one here, these are some things that I pretty much do online from time to time, of course, and online business opportunity. So just to give you some ideas, now, the first one here is Paradise Freebies. So most of you may or may not have heard of Paradise Freebies. So it's basically actually free to sign up with Paradise Freebies. Click that link below. And also with this, it's pretty much, easy to actually do, refer people, of course, basically, to be able to make some little extra money here. So now let me go into just showing you this. Even though the site says $40 per referral, you're actually going to get a payout of $50. Basically here to show you $40 per referral, but the payout will be $50. So I mean, once you pretty much get signed up and do your one, with the one requirement is to do aspiration. It's pretty much easy to actually do. That's your one full requirement. You don't have to worry about doing any other requirements or anything of that nature. So let's go here. So I'm going to take you to the one credit here. Aspiration, as you can see, so as you can see here, aspirations, one credit. I did this in January 28th of this year. You can see my one credit. Boom, I'm good to go. I'm able to refer other people to this site. You got to have $10 to actually have it transferred to aspiration. I tell people that I use Chime. So if you have Chime or if you do not have Chime, click that link in order to get Chime. You can load money on your card at any store that you're able to load money on, like Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Dollar General. Stores that can let you load money on it. You can put $20 on there, have $10 transferred to expiration. Boom, you have basically met your one requirement. And guess what? You can go ahead and start referring other people. You're definitely good to go with that one as well too. So also another one here that you can basically do as well, even if you have an online business. This is something that I have pretty much been using since January of 2018. As you can see here, the pages that I basically made, this is a funnel system to where people can go to your page and opt into it, and you can follow up with them, or you can even have your autoresponder follow up with them as well too. I'm going to show you something here. Basically, we have for different types of businesses. I absolutely love the Conversion Pros. I love the follow-up system. So I have been using it since 2018. They do have a 14-day free trial. Click the link, of course. And after 14 days, it's going to be $50 every single month. You refer two people, it's free. For all the active people that are underneath you, of course, you get residual income, $25 per person, so on and so forth there. And we have different pages here that you can pretty much use. We have, if you're into weight loss, we have pages for that. Fitness, we got pages for travel, coffee, makeup, skincare, crypto. We have different pages here that you can pretty much, that are already created, but you can also change it up to your liking. And that way you can also on the second page put videos, information, things of that nature, your social media pages. And this is like an easy drag and drop system. Build an autoresponder to that page. And that way you can have people going into your page. That way they can look at the information, look at the videos that you do have. That way, if you have an autoresponder, it can follow it with them. And guess what? You can do the exact same thing as well. So, like I said, with the Conversion Pros, 14-day free trial. After that, it's $50 per month. You can make residual income on all active people below you. And guess what? Boom, you're making money just like that as well. Another one here is Cash Building System. Cash Building System is basically an offline marketing opportunity. This is for people who may or may not like talking to people, pretty much, or don't want to say too much to people. You know how that pretty much goes. Is like you don't want to just talk to people all the time. So you can definitely do this. And yes, you can average, between 25 to 3,500 in cash. So this is basically, a system here that I use as well too. Yes, I have made money with this. You can go to learnwithjasmine.com. That link will be in the description below. Of course, to get started, it will be $50. So that way you get 200 postcards and 200 leads. And hey, it's like send those out and see, who will actually go for it. With these postcards, most people do this as well, like, restaurants and different things, DoorDash and Uber and, people, they do send postcards out. Some people may look at it as junk mail. Some people may just sit it to the side and they may come back to it. You never know. So this opportunity here is definitely, something that you can pretty much get started with, something that's kind of, easy to basically do. So definitely, if you're interested in that, of course, click that link, learnwithjasmine.com. Now, also, another one here as well. Basically, I have been doing this one since February of 2019, and it's drop shipping. So what I want to do here, this is my Facebook page here, and I'm going to go in, and you can basically search, search dropship info blitz group. And this is my information group in regards to drop shipping. I just have, a few things in here as well. That link will also be below. I do have a free online marketing group for basically helpful tips and things that you can read up on that you may not know or pretty much want to get back out there and start basically doing. So with my drop ship info blitz group, of course, will be some questions to actually join into the group. So make sure that you do that so that you can get information about drop shipping before actually getting into drop shipping. Of course, you have to invest into the drop shipping opportunity. Everybody has their own price when you actually get into this opportunity. So I will have my page below, Beacons page, Motivation with Jasmine. You click on that, you will see about starting with drop shipping. You will also see about the TCP, the Conversion Pros. So those links will definitely be there as well too. So drop shipping, it's a very lucrative type business. It's where, you basically reselling items at a very affordable price. Let's just say, for instance, you find an item from a vendor. Let's say the item with the vendor is $50 and it costs, basically $10 for shipping. That's $60 there, and you want to resell it. So you might want to resell it for probably about $90 to $100. And then, of course, if you present the product on social media and somebody go ahead and purchase the product for that $100, and of course you're sending that $60, giving that to that vendor, and you're basically pocketing the rest. So then you're pretty much made a profit on that item that you have basically presented to your audience. Absolutely. So another one here as well, that most people, you want to get all fine and jazzed up. You want to look good. You want to be able to take care of yourself. We have something here. I basically have something here that I have pretty much been a part of since about June of last year. It's this beauty store here. They are basically based out of Atlanta, Georgia. So with this is basically a pre-made built beauty supply store. I have ordered things from my own store and got paid. I have people had ordered things from my page as well too, and I got paid. So when you have your own beauty supply store, Guess what? You buy items from your own beauty supply store, you're going to get paid. If customers do the exact same thing, you're going to get paid. So we have tons and tons of name brand items here. Even if items that you see in your local beauty supply store or just basically in different stores in general, but you're shopping but you're not getting paid. So why not shop for these items and get paid? Even if you start your own brick and mortar, we do have a wholesale as well. So that way you can get these items and you know you can start your brick and mortar. Even if you start something in your backyard, you can have these items as well too. Just like we have Queen Bee braiding hair, we have boxes of those to where you can actually buy the box. You're going to get paid, buy from your own store, and guess what? You can resell the hair, to different people. Or even if you do hair, you can actually sell this to your customers. So it's basically like a win-win situation. Now we got into where you can shop by the brand. We have different items here as well that you can see. Tons and tons of items. We only have 2 stores. Basically, there is also a limited store and the Beauty Plus store. And I have the Beauty Plus store here. So to where you can customize and change it basically to your liking. We have these items here that you can basically purchase. I mean, we got it going on. We have, perfume, we have cologne, we just have tons and tons of items. Yes, we absolutely do. Of course, getting started with that link will also be below on my page. So definitely, of course, check that out. So, I have talked here about, 5 side hustle ideas on basically how to make money online. I have pretty much talked about Paradise Freebies and how you can sign up with Paradise Freebies. All you have to do is do the aspiration, have $10, have it pretty much going to aspirations. If you do not have Chime, boom, 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 link below. That way you can load money onto Chime when you get the Chime card. If you have something that can connect to aspirations and you have $10, then there you go. So that way you go ahead and already have that requirement basically met. And also the conversion pros, even if you have a business or looking to start that business, you definitely want to get with the conversion pros. Like I said, 14-day free trial. After that is $50 per month. You get residual income for all active members below you. So too, and it's free. So yeah, absolutely with that one. Now also offline marketing, the cash building system. That if you do not want to talk to people, you can definitely do this. This is $50 to actually start. With phase one, you get the 200 postcards, 200 leads. Also, in regards to drop shipping, I have videos on my page about drop shipping as well. If you want to enter inside my group, make sure that you answer all questions. The information, of course, will be, inside the group, just, some informational type things. If you want to actually join into it, of course, go to sell to profit with jazz.club. That will also be, in my beacon page as well. And I also talked about here the beauty supply store to where you can make money. So it's like you got your own store here to where you can buy the products, have them delivered directly to your home. You're making money. You can have people go to your website and order things. You're making money. So it's like, there you go. It's like you're making money with all these different opportunities here. So definitely make sure that you click that link and check out those things below in the description. Of course, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up. Comment below. Also, you can reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. You can even text me and let me know who you are. And that way I can pretty much, assist you with these things to be able to help you out accordingly. So, I mean, 5 side hustle ideas, even if you're working a job, and if you're not working a job and looking for a way to make some extra income, yeah, this is definitely the way to go. I am telling you, yes, it is. So, of course, you guys, basically, you know, just it's time to get it. It's time to be able to make some extra money, you know.